Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, September 29th. I have a large collection of fabric and a large collection of sample items from one of our vendors. So let's get going. This first collection of fabric is called Dragonfly Dreams. This is the sample quilt that we have to share with you, made from this collection. And we have kits available of this actual quilt. I love the way the panel is used in the center, and the outside borders are really more interesting than what you typically see with panel quilts. So that being said, let me show you the kit and then we'll get into the fabric. So the kit comes with the pattern and it comes with everything you need to make the quilt top and maybe just the quilt top. Probably binding too, I'm not quite sure, sorry. I didn't look into it quite enough. Next we have all the fabric for this line. And this first piece, I stuck a piece of pink paper behind so you could see that design. It's a white on white design, which is a part of the collection. And then we will look at the rest. Designed by Deborah Edwards, Dragonfly Dreams is all a flutter with dragonflies dancing on pretty petals, creating lighthearted, carefree ambiance. Dragonfly Dreams was fashioned using a combination of watercolor and alcohol ink techniques and a fresh palette of raspberry sorbet and peach melba with a twist of grape jelly. All right, who's hungry? This is by Northcott Fabrics, and the quilt is called Chasing Geese Quilt. And I have a note here, thank you, Lori, that says this is enough fabric for the top and binding of either the 44 by 58 crib size version or the 52 by 66 throw size version. So there are two versions of that quilt in the pattern, and in the kit you have enough to make either. There's some of those dragonflies. I was wondering when we were going to get to the dragonflies of the Dragonfly's Dreams. This one is very light. This is a very small bolt already because it's been cut for the kits. So if you like the yardage but maybe aren't interested in the kit, you're going to want to get some soon because there's not a lot of it on some of these bolts. Oh, I love this piece. Look how saturated that is. That would make a pretty bag. And then this is more of that alcohol ink. I love how that makes that kind of grease splatter pattern. That wasn't a really great wasn't a really great description. That's so pretty. I love everything that Deborah Edwards does for Northcott. I mean, everything she does, I end up buying because I just think it's all so beautiful and fairly unique. She's, oh gosh, this is a backing bowl, y'all. Sorry, that was unexpectedly heavy. So this is a backing. It's really pretty. Oh, I love it. Everything she does is really detailed and thoughtful. I like that the backgrounds are always interesting, as well as the foregrounds. So all of that is available now in the shop and online, along with the kits. Again, it's called Dragonfly Dreams. Next up, we have the work of Mickey Eisenberg. She goes by Material Girl. We've had her at least two of our handmade markets previously, and she has a large variety of work. So I'll let you check out these bags while I read about her. Material Girl loves fabric, all kinds of fabric, especially unusual or different fabrics. She visits flea markets and even buys fabric when she goes overseas, and will find everything from table runners to towels and make purses out of them. I love unique pieces, and I think others do. She makes beautiful bags and purses and hopes that you will stop by her tent at the handmade market in October. That's so pretty. Let me just show you the inside of one of these. Well, that one's got filler, but she also puts really interesting fabric on the insides as well. And then she also makes these really fun dolls. This one here is called Alfred. He's a good builder, a better painter. He can be a little messy, but he's a hard worker. So these are all of your Christmas elves that you could decorate with it around the holidays. They're fun. She has all different types of dolls, so that's really fun. And then these are her two giveaways. These are two cat hot pads that can be used as a trivet on a table or a countertop. And there's Insulbright inside, which is a batting that has a metal texture in it that's made to withstand hot. So you can use it for pot holders as well. They're washable, and she has this nice handy grommet for hanging. So if you'd like to be entered to win one of the two cat trivets, all you have to do is comment where you're seeing our video, either Facebook or YouTube or both, to double your chances. And we will be drawing for these sometime next week, probably the end of next week. I think that's all I have for today. What? Winners. Oh, winners. We have winners. Thank you, Susan. We have winners. So these are the winners from the previous Handmade Market vendor samples that we have been sharing with you in the previous days. So if you see your name here, or if you see the name of a friend here, be sure to let her know that she has won. And we would love for you to contact us here at the shop and let us know how you plan to get your prize. If you're not local, we just ask that you pay actual shipping to get your prize to you, or that you place an order that we can pop your prize in the box with. Thank you so much for watching. We do have 22 more prizes to give away between now and the market. So be sure to keep watching and keep commenting so that we have a good pool of people to give prizes to. I hope you have a great afternoon. I hope you're staying safe from Hurricane Ian, and our thoughts are with all the people south and eventually west of us, and hoping that everyone is faring well. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.